Welcome to Nagesh Karajki Orchid School. I am Abhilasha teacher teaching you grade 4 science. In previous session we have learned some points from lesson number 4, that is force, work and energy. Today also we are going to see some more points from same lesson. Let us see the board. Today's lesson number 4, that is force, work and energy. Let us recall from previous session. We will see what we have seen in previous session. We have seen about simple machines and about energy. We will see in the detail. Simple machines. Those are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, screw and wedge. These are some simple machines. We will see in the detail. Lever. It is used to cut things, lift weight and open lids. Lever is used for cut things, lift weight and open lids. Examples: scissors and bottle openers are the example of lever. Next we have seen, that is pulley. It consists of wheels and with a rope. It helps to lift bucket from well. We have seen the pictures of that. It also helps to lift heavy object. Examples: well, pulley and elevator are the examples of pulley. Now we have seen, that is about wheel and axle. It is the circular object called wheel and rod is called axle. Means that machine is having rod and wheels. It attached to its center. It helps object to move easily. The examples of wheels and axles are door knobs and screwdrivers. Inclined plane. It is having sloping surface, or it is having slope like surface. Helps to move object up and down easily. Example: playground slide. If we want to move heavy object up or down, the inclined plane is used. Let us see about screw. It looks like a nail with a groove around it. It helps to hold things together. It is wrapped around central rod. It is an example of inclined plane. Last was wedge. It consists of sharp edge made by two inclined planes. It is used to cut objects. Example: knives and eggs. With the help of knife and eggs we can cut the object. These are the example of wedge and simple machines. and last point was about energy. Energy is ability to do work. We need energy to perform activity. Yes, for running, for playing, or for doing activities we need energy. It is also required to change the state. All machines run on energy. Yes, all the machines need energy to run. Now, in this session, we are going to learn about energy. From that, we have seen forms of energy. In last session, we have seen these pictures. There are some forms of energy. Those are light energy, energy of motion, heat energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy, chemical energy, potential energy, and sound energy. These are some forms of energy. Among these, today we are going to learn about heat energy, light energy, and electrical energy. These three energy we are going to learn. Let us see what is meant by heat energy. We get heat energy by burning fuel such as wood. Yes, you have seen in the in a winter season, the people sit outside the house. They are burning wood to get the heat. Means we get heat energy by burning wood. Gas. Yes, everybody knows about gas. Everybody is having gas at their home. It gives heat energy. Petrol. It is also heat energy. We fill petrol in a car or in a bike. So bike or car get heat energy from petrol and it can run. Now we will see the uses of heat energy. Heat energy is used to cook food. Yes, we use gas. Just now we have seen from the gas we get heat energy. From that gas we get heat and the food will cook. It also used for run cars and trains. Yes, with the help of petrol, the car will run, and for running the trains we use coal. Heat energy from a sun keeps earth warm. Yes, from the sun we get sunlight, or from the rays it is coming, so our earth become warm. Sun is main source of energy. Yes, from the sun we are getting different kinds of energy. Later we will see that. Heat can be transferred by convection, conduction, and radiation. Once again I will read. Heat can be transferred by convection, conduction, and radiation. We'll see what is meant by convection. Warmer portion absorb heat, means convection. Conduction means transfer between two bodies that are touching, means heat can be transferred between two bodies that are touching each other. Radiation means giving energy in a form of waves. Observe this picture carefully. You will understand what is meant by convection, what is meant by conduction and what is meant by radiation. Is from that wood, that if we will burn wood we get heat energy. Convection means that hands will absorb heat, that is meant by convection. See the second picture about conduction. When we will keep rod on a heat, it will produce heat or it become hot, and from that rod the hands will, means our hands will burn. And radiation means from that heat energy waves are coming. So the heat energy can be transferred with the help of convection or in the form of convection or conduction or radiation. Do you ever think how some objects become hot when we keep on burning gas? Yes, do you know how they are becoming hot? Molecules of some substances are move faster when we give heat. Yes, if we will burn something, the molecules of that substances move very faster. Because of heat energy, they produce heat and substances become hot. This energy is produced by frictions occur in molecules. Yes, they are moving so fast, because of that the friction occurs, they rub amongst each other, so the friction will occur and it produces heat energy. Yes, see the difference between cold and hot. The cold molecules will move very slowly, so we feel cold when we touch the cold objects or cold bottle or cold juice, we feel cold. But when we touch hot objects like pan or coffee mug, that time the molecules moving so fast, it becomes, or we feel hot that time. Some of the objects are good conductor of heat. Conductor means a substance which can transfer energy. Once again I will read. Some of objects are good conductor of heat. Conductor means a substance which can transfer energy. When you touch a pan, you feel hot. Yes. Heat is transferred from that hot object to cold. Means when we will touch to the pan is hot and our hands are cold. So from the hot object the energy or heat will transfer to our hands. See, we feel cold. When we keep pan on a burning gas, and if we will touch that, because of that we feel pan hot. You can also produce heat by rubbing hands. When you feel cold, that time you are rubbing your hands, that time you feel or you produced heat energy. You can do this activity and you can see how it produces. Because of friction of two hands, the heat is or the heat energy is produced. Let us review of heat energy. Heat energy is used to cook food, run cars and trains. Heat energy from sun keeps the earth warm. Sun is main source of heat. Yes. Now let us see about light energy. We use light energy to see. Yes, without light we cannot see in the dark. Plant use light energy to prepare their food. Means they use light for photosynthesis. Yes, in term 1 you have seen or you have learned about photosynthesis. Light energy is used for photosynthesis, means light plants get energy or light energy from sun. It falls on a leaf and the oxygen will release and carbon dioxide is absorbed by the plant. So it is very important for photosynthesis, or light energy is important for photosynthesis. Now we'll see electrical energy. Electrical energy is used to heating and lighting. Yes, we use electrical energy for many purposes. Electrical energy can heat the pan or vessel. Electrical energy can be used for light or lightning. Electrical energy is used for on the computers or run some gadgets, and electrical energy is moved for movement, heat and sound energy. See pictures carefully. It is also used for running electrical gadgets such as computers. Yes, for run the computer we have to use electrical energy. When we will switch on the light or button, that time only the computer will run. If we will off the switch, that time it will not work. So to run gadgets or the computer we need electrical energy. Refrigerator, yes, for run the refrigerator or to on the refrigerator we need electrical energy. Air conditioner, we need electrical energy for air conditioner. Yes, when we will switch on the fan, that time, or if we will switch on the button, that time only the fan will move, otherwise it will not move. Television, yes, we need electrical energy for on the TV. The electrical energy is flow from the battery to the bulb or to run to on the light or some other gadgets. From that battery the light will get energy and it will on. Let us see the review of points. Now we will see about forms of energy. Yes, there are some forms of energy: heat energy, light energy and electrical energy. These are some forms of energy. Let us see in detail what we have learned in this session. Heat energy. Heat energy we get from burning fuel. Yes, we have seen the picture of fuels. So if we will burn them, then only we are getting the energy. It is used to cook food and run cars and train. For cook food we used gas. When we on the gas, that time the heat energy is transferred to the stove and it will give heat energy. Because of that the food will cook. And for run cars and trains we use petrol and coals. With the help of petrol the car will get energy and it will run. Train gets energy from coals and it will run. So car and train get heat energy from petrol and coal. The sun keeps earth warm. Yes, the sun rays are coming to the earth, and the earth will absorb that rays, means it come in a radiation forms, means waves are coming from a sun to the earth and we feel hot during summer, or sometimes we feel hot in winter or in rainy season also, because the the earth absorbs the radiation from sun. Example: sun, wood, gas, petrol are the example of heat energy. Once again I will read. Sun, wood, gas and petrol are some examples of heat energy. Next we have seen about light energy. We use light energy to see. Yes, when it is dark, that time we on light so we can see properly. So light energy is used to see. Plant used for photosynthesis. Light energy is used by the plants for photosynthesis, means it is used to prepare their own food. The light energy they require, and this light energy they get from sun. They absorb the waves or the radiation from a sun. And lastly we have seen about electrical energy. It is used for heating and lighting. Yes, electrical energy can be used for heating and lighting. With the help of electrical energy we can heat the object, means the conduction is there. With the help of electrical energy we can cook food also, and electrical energy is used for lighting. We use light with the help of electrical energy. When we switch on the fan button or light button, that time electrical energy is passed through the wires and the light or fan will on. It is used for running electrical gadgets. Yes, just now we have seen the pictures about electrical gadgets. Those are computer, refrigerator, air conditioner and some other TV and some other gadgets can run with the help of electrical energy. If there is no electrical energy, the gadgets will not run. Yes, computers, refrigerator, fan and television are some electrical energy. Now we will read our lesson. Open your Canopy book, page number 28.
Work and energy. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to explain the term force, identify some common forces we come across in our daily life, explain the term work, list some simple machines that help to make our work easy, explain the term energy, list some of the forms and sources of energy. Mind opener. You are asked to move a chair. In how many ways can you move it? Think of other things you do every day during which you move things, like opening or closing a door. What do you do to make the objects move? False. When you push an object like a car, it moves. It also moves if you pull it towards yourself. Can you think of other objects you push or pull to make them move? To move something, you either push or pull it. A push or pull that acts on an object is called a force. What else can a force do besides moving objects? Look at the pictures below. Kinds of forces. There are different kinds of forces that can act on an object. The force of friction. When you push a toy car on a carpet, it slows down and stops after some time. The force which acts on the car to slow it down is called the force of friction. Friction occurs when the toy car rubs against the rough surface of the carpet. Push the toy car on a smooth floor. Does it travel further? The force of friction is less on a smooth surface. The force of gravity. When you throw a ball up in the air, it slows down, stops, and then falls down to the ground. This is because a force called gravity acts on it. This force pulls the ball down. In fact, gravity acts on all objects on the earth, pulling them towards the earth. That is why when you throw anything up, it comes down. Work. When you use force to move things, you do work. Pushing or pulling a book is easy, but pushing or pulling a heavy table is difficult. You have to use more force to move the table. So, you do more work in moving the table than in moving the book. Simple machines. To make our work easy, we sometimes use tools or simple machines. For example, we use a pair of scissors to cut open a packet of milk. The pair of scissors is a simple machine. The lever, the pulley, the wheel and axle, the inclined plane, the screw and the wedge are some simple machines. Lever. The lever can be used to cut things, lift weights and open lids. Scissors and bottle openers are examples of levers. Pulley. Have you seen people drawing water from a well? The pulley is used to help lift the bucket of water easily. It consists of a wheel with a rope around it. Wheel and axle. This simple machine consists of a circular object called the wheel. A rod called the axle is attached to its center. This arrangement helps objects move easily. Doorknobs and screwdrivers are examples of the wheel and axle. Inclined plane. An inclined plane has a surface that is sloping. It helps to move objects up or down easily. An example of an inclined plane is a playground slide. Screw. The screw looks like a nail with a groove around it. It helps to hold things together. The screw is actually an inclined plane that is wrapped around a central rod. Wedge. The wedge consists of a sharp edge made by two inclined planes that are back to back. It is used to cut objects. Knives and axes are examples of wedges. Energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to run, to play, or to push a chair. A car needs energy to move. The energy of wind makes trees sway. Energy is also required to change the state of matter. Changing water to water vapor requires energy. Cooking food requires energy. Energy is available in different forms. Some of the important ones are as follows. Heat energy. We get heat energy by burning a fuel such as wood, gas, or petrol. Heat energy is used to cook food and to run cars and trains. Heat energy from the sun keeps the earth warm. Light energy. We use light energy to see. Plants use light energy from the sun to make food. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is used for heating and lighting. It is also used for running electrical gadgets such as computers, refrigerators, air conditioners, fans, and television.
Now we have read the lesson. Once again you go through the lesson, and in next session we are going to learn source of energy. Thank you.